Welcome to NetSuite for Government. In this video, we'll review SuiteAnswers, demonstrating how to access support articles, videos, and the latest help information. As a true cloud system, all customers using NetSuite for Government are on the same version. This makes our user community and SuiteAnswers invaluable resources. Starting from the Help Center, we can access SuiteAnswers, which provides us with a wide range of support articles from throughout the organization. From SuiteAnswers, we can view announcements, watch videos, browse by content categories, and access the most up-to-date help information. Our community includes over 37,000 customers with more than 100,000 users worldwide. This extensive user base means that just about any question we might have about the system can be found in SuiteAnswers. SuiteAnswers provides us with tools to search through the knowledge base using natural language, keywords, and article IDs. We can use quotes to include specific phrases, search for particular errors we encounter, or ask a question. For example, if we search, "How to make a journal entry," we immediately see a variety of support documents. To help narrow our search results, we can filter by content type, product categories, and target audience. Within the target audience filter, we have specific NetSuite for Government support articles as well. We can also submit a question or issue by email or contact NetSuite customer service by phone.